Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be setting up VS Code for competitive programming. So let's first create a folder and then open this folder in VS Code. So basically we'll be requiring two TXT files. So let's create them. I'll be naming them as input.txt and output.txt. I'll be using CPP. Let's create the file. And now I'll add some code in this file. String and using output standard output. Let's write the main function. Now you can see that all the files are open. You have to just simply right click on input.txt and click on split right, and also you have to drag this file towards the input.txt file, and now you can close the files which are on the left. Now you have to again right click on output.txt and click on split down, and now you can close the file. So basically this will be the exact view we'll be getting at the end for competitive programming. And now one step remains, that adding this function. So let me add this. Don't worry, I will be adding this code in description. So what does this function actually do? It is a function that considers the standard input from input.txt and passing the output to output.txt. You can see these are the function calls, that is standard input and standard output. You can minimize them, but you have to remember that whenever you are using this pattern means whenever you are using this format, you need to have this piece of function or code in the main function only, otherwise it won't work. So let's try something printing. Let's print hello world. Now let's compile. See, it actually works. So let's try something by giving input. Let's use array. N means it will be the length of array. Now I'll be initializing array with size n. Now I'll be using a for loop for adding the elements in array. Till n plus. So for the first line, we'll be taking the length of the array, and for the numbers or the elements in the array, we'll be taking them inside the for loop. So I'll be creating int number, and I'll be taking input right inside the for loop numbers, and let's add the elements in the array. R of I is equal to number. So we have now added the elements in the array. So let's display it. Again we'll be using for loop. Let's clear this code and array of I cout space. Now yeah, it's completed. So let's add the input. First line is the length of the array, so the length of the array is 5, and the second input is number. So I'll be giving 1 4 5 7 and 6. See 1 2 3 4 5 elements. So let's run this. One thing, remember that you have to save this txt file after writing the input. So let's run this file. As you can see that these elements have been added in the array, and it takes the input and it also displays the output. So basically this format will help programmers to optimize the solution right on their desktop without going in some online compiler, and it will be beneficial for programmers to analyze their solution and also optimize their solution. So hereby we conclude this video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.